Hello, the Creator Project. This is Fred Afwai.
And Alice Afwai.
We just want to introduce you to the new location where we are planning to bring the children. This house is almost through, but the other house, the other end over there, is not yet through. So that's what we are trusting God to get funds for it. As we enter inside, this will be the sitting room and the dining room. So all the children will be sitting from here, studying from here. We are going to have a television set for them. The house is a 5-bedroomed house. The same will be with the other house. These are the bedrooms. Bedroom number 1 and bedroom number 2, they are slightly bigger than the other 3 bedrooms. This one is bedroom number 2, which is slightly bigger than the other bedroom. And this one is the kitchen. We have the kitchen. We'll make the stove and the cabinet, and then it has the stove for this house. And we have now the other bedrooms. This is bedroom number 3, and you can meet one of the masons who is staying here and fixing the work. Super, can you tell us your name?
John Kakai.
So he's known as John Kakai. He's one of the masons and probably will be one of the house parents. And then this is the fourth bedroom and the 5th bedroom. The plan is, if God will help us, the children will be staying as a family, and the house parents will be using one of the rooms, and the other 4 rooms will be for the children. The same will be duplicated to the other side. As you can see, the children are just happy as they have come over. Lynette.
Say hi. I want to sing. Say hi.
Otherwise, continue to pray for us. We want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And we are very much grateful for all the support that you are giving us. This is just but a drop of what you really have experienced since we started to partner together with you.
Merry Christmas.
And Happy New Year. God bless you.